Hi guys, today we're going to open a package. It's a gift from my mother. Guess what it is? Oops. Let's open it together. It's obviously it's Fitflop. Size 6. It's Lulu. The name is Lulu Crystal Mix Metallic Cross Slides. Here. Ooh. Ooh. Check it out. Look. Take a look. It's so nice, guys. It's so nice. With sparkling crystals. This one is, I think it's made of leather. And the other side has crystals. This is original, guys. So this is authentic. I bought it on sale. On a discount. There. Oh, it's so nice. It's so sparkly. Wait. Ooh. So nice. I hope my mama will like it. Take a look, guys. What's this? Thank you.